2007 Chevrolet Malibu engine size 3.5 LT. How to replace the water pump? First time, remove the cable battery, remove the air duct filter, remove the filter. This one, and remove the driver belt. Remove the pulley and remove the pulley water pump. Like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And remove the water pump. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bolts. And remove the water pump. New water pump. Part number. New water pump. And you can leave the pay. And into the water pump. Typing deep well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And tighten pulley. One, 2, 3, 4 bolts. And into the pulley. Into the pulley and tighten pulley and into the driver belt and the filter. Thank you watching video. If you like, you support for me. Thank you. I'm appreciate when you subscribe for me. Thank you.